So we just create the register component. Let's also bring the profile to here. We want to bring the three user pages together, and so then we can use some functions and some variables. Let's firstly grab those three pages. Let's also add in the profile. So it's profile.js. All right. In the profile.js here, let's do a RCC to come up with the class template. And let's go to our Angular project, grab the code for the profile. Right. So just copy everything in the profile. Yeah, let's first copy everything. I'm gonna separate them later. So right, let's bring everything to here. So we're gonna firstly remove the comments, because the comments in the JSX is in another syntax. Let's just rewrite it. So this is the syntax of a navbar. Let's hold the control and the forward slash. This is a navbar, and let's remove the disable. It's not a part of the HTML syntax. Gonna remove everything not HTML syntax. Oops, what's wrong with it? Did I make something wrong here? Disable. Oh, it's only allowed me to have one outer div, so that's using a div around everything. Let's have a div and first, and a div to close it at the end, just for now. Right. Let's start with the div and then close the div. All right, let's keep moving. Let's remove the router link. What else we need to remove? Remove this form tag, this form comments. Remove the my form equals ng form. Remove the ng submit. Remove the ng if. Right, it looks better. So let's keep going. Remove the ng if. This is the comments. So remove that. User input equals to ng model. Ng model equals to user the username. Ng if. This email. Ng model equal to the user email. First name. Ng model. Last name. Ng model. Buttons. Click. And ng if. And this footer. Alright. Looks good. And let's remove the route link. Also, let's change the class into class name. Let's do it one by one from the top. Class name, and then class name, class name, class name, class name, class name, class name. There's a lot of class, so let's just change every class into class name. It's okay if you're missing anyone here. It's the React going to tell you when you in your console. It's going to tell you there is a arrow. Please, there's a name. Please change. There's a class. Please change that to class name. We're going to mention that. In the console. So just let's try best to fix most of them. The route link, remove that. Class name. Class name. Right. Try our best to remove most of them. And let's see how it looks like in our browser. So that is our browser. I have our login page. Let's also create a routing for the profile in app.js here. Let's create a route for the profile. Let's still using the pass user, and to passing the user ID, we can still using a placeholder here, colon, like a UID, to passing a user ID, and this is going to be the profile component. Right, still following the traditional way. User UID, and the component is profile. Let's try it out. So let's try to go to the localhost 3000/user/123, and that's our profile page. Is there any error here? Yeah, there's some class and some route link. In the profile line 77, let's remove it. Class name. Let's see what else. Route link in the line 84. Let's remove the route link. All right. Let's remove this button for the user list. We don't care about this at this point. Let's focus on the. Actually, let's just leave it here. Done home. So yeah. Basically, that's it. Like those warnings are just for the href. I'm gonna fix that in a second. But right now, like it is the page itself is rendering with all the alert message showing default. We're going to hide that shortly. All right. So let's go back to our login page. Like everything is fine. Register, cancel. And the profile is just go to the user 234. Like all of them are same right now. We are not checking the user ID. Oh, the username is here. It's not looks correct. Why it is not showing the class for it? Let's check it. Username here. Class not class name. Right, it is correct right now. Right, let's stop here for a few minutes and see if you can follow. Yeah, give me a second. Let me upload the video for